Welcome back students of 7th class. This is mathematics lecture. In this video lecture we'll discuss about a couple of questions of examples of exercise 20D. So in the last video lecture we had discussed about the area of triangles and the particularly area of equilateral triangle, and we proved the area of equilateral triangle as square root 3 by 4 a square side square. Okay, and in the general formula of area of triangle, half base into height, and one specific formula that's called the Heron's formula, area of triangle by Heron's formula. So now friends, we will solve here examples questions of exercise 20D with the help of the previous tools that we had discussed, that means area of triangles. Now see, the question number second says, look at the books friends, take out the books and see the books, because we are not writing the questions. Okay, now see the question number 2. The base of a triangular field is, the base of a triangular field is 3 times is its height. Now see friends, triangular field, suppose this is a triangular figure. Okay, suppose this is A, B and C. First read the question friends. If the cost of cultivating the field at 2,800 rupees per hectare, okay, is rupees 37,800, find the base and height. Now friends, here is the, suppose this is the height. Height is also perpendicular friends, remember, and base is friend, this is B. So this is base and this is height. We have to find the base as well as the height. Now see friends, the total cost of cultivating the field kya diya, whatever they given, write the solution. This is rate, total cost, total, see for cost friend, total cost of cultivating the field is what friends? This is 37,800 rupees. Okay, and rate of cultivating the field is given per hectare is rate of cultivating the field is given. This is 2,800 rupees per hectare. Okay friends, so one here friends, remember 1 hectare is friends, remember this is 1 10,000 meter square, remember, because we had already discussed in the previous exercise 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Now friends, area of field is the formula. What about the area? Area of field, area of field means the formula, if the two things is given, that means friends, the rate of cultivating, the rate is given and the total cost is given. Okay, now the area of field, so area of this field, this triangular field is friends total cost of the cultivating the field. Okay, and rate per hectare, that is hectare, to rate per HEC means friends hectare. So now see friends, total cost is given 378, 2 times 0, and this is rate is, so rate is given 2 times 0, so this is total hectare friends. Okay, now 2020 will get cancelled here friends, so this becomes 378 divided by 28. Now this is hectare friends, now we change in meter square, 378, okay, 28 multiply by, this is because 1 hectare is 10,000 meter square, this is meter square. Now we can easily divide, this is friends 14 2 and 14 27 times will get cancelled, so this become 27 by 2 multiply by, this is 10,000 This will also cancel 2 1 are 2 and 2 5 are 10. 3 times 0. After multiplying, we will get from 1s 3 5. Here 3 times 0. This is meter square. Okay. Now see friends. Now erasing. So this is, now we got the area of this triangular plot friends. This is area. Okay. Now once again friends, the question, base of the triangular field is thrice its height. So suppose friend height is x meter. So this base becomes friend 3x, because क्वेश्चन कह रहा है यहाँ पे हाइट जो है वो बेस क्या है, बेस हाइट से 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई है, तो हाइट को मैंने x लिया, यानी बेस 3 गुनी है हाइट से फ्रेंड्स, तो हाइट x है तो बेस कितने हो जाएगा 3x। नाउ फ्रेंड्स अब एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू, देखिए एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल तो यही है ना फ्रेंड्स, जैसे 135 3 टाइम्स 0, और ये फॉर्मूले में एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या था, हाफ इंटू बेस, बेस क्या होगा फ्रेंड, दिस इज बेस 3x एंड नाउ हाइट दिस इज x, इसको इक्वल कर देंगे 3 5 3 टाइम्स 0, नाउ दिस इज x इंटू एक्स फ्रेंड, दिस इज x स्क्वायर, देन 3x स्क्वायर, ओके, डिवाइडेड बाई 2, सो 135 3 टाइम्स 0, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे फ्रेंड्स, नाउ वी विल गेट द आफ्टर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन सी erasing, now the cross multiplication here, this is 3x square becomes, because here the 1 3x square multiply by 1 3x square as it is, now this multiply by 2, right, 3 135 3 times 0 multiply by 2, so x square becomes friends 135 3 times 0 multiply by 2 divided by 3, now 3 1 are 3 3 4 are 12 and 3 5 are 15, 3 times 0, so x square is equal to, this is 45 to the 90 and 3 times 0, so x is equal to under root friends, this is 1 2, we can say this is 9, so we can resolve this friends, 900, no sorry, so x becomes, this could be written as 300 multiply by 300, so x is equal to 1 is out, but this is 300 meter, so the height friends 300 meter height, we can write the height 300 meter, height HEIGHT, so height is friends here the a, suppose d, AD is the height, so h is equal to x, this is 300 meters, and base that is BC is friends 3x, so now 3 multiply by x की value 300, so this is 900 meter. So this to answer this question, I hope you will understand. See the next, now see friends, question number 5, examples 5, exercise 20D says, find the area of triangle ABC in which the angle B is 90 degree and BC 8 centimeter and AC 10 centimeter. If BD is perpendicular AC, then find BD. Now see friends, this is right angle triangle, because one angle is 90 degree, so name is friend, this is A B C, at B 90 degree here friends, and here the given one thing is BD is perpendicular AD, AC पे कोई line perpendicular है, this is called BD, and now AC is 10 centimeter, here the AC, this is what friends 10 centimeter, okay, and BC is 8 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter is given, now find BD, find करना है मुझे, okay, very simple, this is ABC is the right angle triangle, okay friends, if you look at the right angle triangle, we have a right angle triangle, so AC becomes hypotenuse, BC is the base and this is height, so with the help of Pythagoras theorem we can find out this height of triangle ABC. Now friends, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, now by Pythagoras, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, Now the value of AC is 10, 10 square. AB is the value of 8, 8 square, and BC that we have, sorry, AB is as it is. So the value of BC is 8, 8 square. Okay. So this is 100 friends is equal to AB square. This is 64. Now 100 as it is, bring this minus 64 is equal to AB square. Subtract from this is 36 becomes AB square. So AB is equal to under root 36. So this gives us 6 because friends the square root of 36 is 6. So this is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we can find out friends because we have to find the BD. Okay. This is what? BD. How we can find out the BD? Very simple. Now erase friends. Now erase. See here friends, if you look at the triangle ABC, so this triangle ABC has two altitude, means two heights. One is AB and height is always perpendicular to its base friends. Base height हमेशा क्या होगा? बेस से perpendicular रहेगा. जो बेस से, this is height. AB is height in triangle ABC. On a look at the friends, BD is also height because this is perpendicular to the base AC. So BD is also height of triangle ABC. So this triangle having two heights as AB and BD. If we take the area of this triangle with the first height AB is equal to the area of same triangle ABC with the second height BD. So both the areas are equal because the same triangle, we find out the same triangle ABC. Now friends, now the area of triangle ABC with height AB is equal to friends area of triangle same ABC with height BD. एक बार AB height, एक बार BD. Now friends, area of triangles with height AB means half. Base is friends, this is 6. Sorry, base is friends, this is BC. We can write the base as BC and height it AB is equal to friends, this is equal to area of triangle ABC with height BD. जब height BD लेंगे तो base AC हो जाएगा, तो half base this is AC and height BD. Now put half will get cancelled. Put the value of BC. BC is 8 centimeter. Multiply AB is friends 6 centimeter is equal to AC is AC is equal to 10 centimeter and BD is as it is. Now BD becomes BD is equal to 8 multiplied by 6 divided by 10. हमेशा divide में जाएगा. 2 3 जा 2 5 जा. Okay. 8 3 जा 24 divided by 5. Now 5 4 ja and 8. This is centimeter. 4.8 centimeter is the height, that is the BD. 4.8 centimeter is the BD. Now friends, we will see the next question. आप next question देखेंगे and solve the problems. Question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 from 1 to C. If you have any doubt, confusion, because the hint is given in your examples problem, try to solve these sums from question number 1 to 9 of exercise friends, of examples of exercise 20D. 20D के जितने भी examples आप try करेंगे. Okay, hint दिया हुआ है, we can easily solve the sums. If you have any doubt, comment, contact. I will solve your problems. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.